You wake up in the morning and the first thing you feel is a general weariness settling in. You tell yourself it's normal, that it's just the natural course of life. But deep down, you wonder, is this how it's always going to feel from now on? Constantly battling low energy and feeling run down? Let me tell you something important. Every year, countless individuals grapple with weakened immune systems and sluggish digestion, impacting their daily lives, productivity, and overall well-being. But here's the truth no one says out loud. Growing old doesn't have to mean growing susceptible and weak. Aging is natural, but constant vulnerability and fatigue don't have to be. Not if you learn how to take back control, starting from your plate. Because what you eat can either drain your vitality or rebuild it. And in today's video, I'm going to walk with you through some of the most powerful natural ways to fortify your immune system, improve your digestion, and boost your body's natural defenses one delicious bite at a time. And yes, that includes a simple onion recipe that many wellness experts now call a natural immune elixir. But I'll save that for last. Before that, I want to show you the real foundation, everyday foods that are quietly strengthening immunity, enhancing gut health, and giving people more resilience than they've had in years. These aren't miracle pills or expensive supplements. They're foods you can find at the market, cook in your kitchen, and feel in your body within days. So stay with me. Grab a pen if you want to take notes. This is a space just for people like you who want to stay healthy, strong, and fully alive after 60. Now, let's begin with the first food, and it's probably sitting in your fridge right now. The humble onion, your immune system's best friend. Onions aren't just a flavorful addition to your meals, they're one of the most powerful foods your immune system and gut could ask for. Packed with prebiotic fibers, onions help feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. This means a healthier microbiome, which is the cornerstone of a strong immune system. According to research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, these prebiotics promote the growth of good gut flora, leading to improved nutrient absorption and a robust defense against various challenges. For anyone seeking to fortify their body's natural defenses and enhance overall vitality, onions provide a vital layer of support. Onions also contain unique sulfur compounds, which exhibit strong antimicrobial properties. This helps your body maintain a healthy internal balance, acting as a natural internal cleanser. They even support a healthy inflammatory response, crucial for preventing chronic inflammation that can weaken your body's resilience over time. So, if there's one staple to get comfortable with after 60, it's this one. The real foundation, everyday immune-boosting foods. Speaking of foods that are both rich and immune-friendly, let's move to something creamy that surprises a lot of people: avocado. It isn't just tasty, it's an immune-boosting powerhouse wrapped in green. What makes it so remarkable are its healthy monounsaturated fats, which support the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins crucial for immune function, like vitamin E. They're also rich in potassium and fiber, supporting overall digestive health, which is intrinsically linked to a strong immune system. Next up is a small, sweet fruit that's low in sugar but incredibly high in healing power. Strawberries. They might taste like dessert, but they act more like medicine. Loaded with vitamin C and anthocyanins, these antioxidants help reduce inflammation and directly support your immune cells. Healthy circulation means immune cells can travel effectively throughout the body. Now, let's crack into something crunchy, something that fuels your body and fights inflammation with every bite. Walnuts. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these nuts help reduce the kind of silent inflammation that quietly weakens your immune system over time. They also contain selenium and other antioxidants that defend your cells from oxidative stress. From nuts to a root that's been used for centuries, not just for taste, but for its powerful healing effects. Yams. They're more than just comfort food. They're one of nature's smartest answers to promoting overall vitality. Their complex carbohydrates provide steady energy, and compounds like digestion offer anti-inflammatory effects that support cellular health, vital for immune resilience. Now, let's talk about a tiny ingredient with a bold punch. You probably already have it in your kitchen, and it's been supporting wellness for thousands of years. Garlic. Its most active compounds help maintain a healthy internal environment, fighting low-grade chronic issues that may silently stress your immune system and worsen inflammation throughout the body. When you keep the peel on an apple a day, yes, the old saying holds more truth than most people realize, especially when you eat it with the skin on. The skin is loaded with quercetin, working like an anti-inflammatory shield. Inside, peptin, a soluble fiber, promotes a healthy gut microbiome, which is crucial for immune strength. Let's move from fruit to a green vegetable that's known for detoxifying the body and enhancing cellular defense. Broccoli. It's a body cleanser disguised as a vegetable. One of its most powerful compounds is sulforaphane, shown to activate enzymes that detoxify the bloodstream and reduce inflammation, directly supporting a robust immune response. It also brings a rare vitamin combo, vitamin C and vitamin K. Bright, juicy, and full of life, an orange is far more than just a snack. When eaten with the pulp, it becomes a functional food for your immune system. The pulp is packed with soluble fiber, and it's loaded with vitamin C, which helps reduce oxidative stress and support immune cell function. Oats are one of those humble foods that quietly work miracles in the background. What makes them so effective is a special kind of fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber is a powerful immune modulator, helping your body maintain effective defenses. They also contain antioxidants called avenantramides, which reduce inflammation.
Almonds might be small, but they're one of the most complete immune protectors you can eat. Packed with monounsaturated fats, fiber, and protein, they also offer magnesium and vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage and supports overall immune function. Purple grapes aren't just sweet, they're smart medicine for your cells. The magic lies in a compound called resveratrol, concentrated in the skin. Research shows that resveratrol helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, keeping your immune system running smoothly. Black beans are more than just a filling side dish. They're a metabolic powerhouse for anyone managing overall health. Their high content of soluble fiber and plant-based protein supports gut health and provides steady energy, both vital for a strong immune system. They also carry a surprising dose of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. Let's now brighten things up with something citrusy and cleansing: lemon. It might be sour to taste, but it's sweet news for your overall well-being. This little citrus fruit is incredibly alkalizing, helping your body reduce silent inflammation. It's also one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, directly supporting immune cell function and iron absorption. The golden onion elixir, a simple home remedy. And now the moment you've been waiting for. Let's move on to the powerful home recipe that brings all of this together. Simple, warming, and surprisingly effective. This is the part I've been excited to share with you because it's not just a recipe, it's a natural remedy that has surprised wellness experts, nutritionists, and so many people who've tried it and felt the difference in just a few days. It's simple, it's delicious, and most importantly, it works. Here's what you'll need: 1 red onion, thinly sliced, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of black pepper, and, if you like, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Start by heating the olive oil gently in a skillet. Once warm, Add the sliced red onion and sauté for 3 to 4 minutes, just until it begins to soften and caramelize slightly. Then add the turmeric, the pepper, and the apple cider vinegar if you're using it. Stir everything together and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. That's it. Why this simple dish works wonders. The beauty of this recipe isn't just in its ingredients, but in the way they work together. Red onion is rich in quercetin, a compound that reduces inflammation and enhances immune cell activity. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory agents ever studied. It supports overall immune health. Olive oil, especially the extra virgin kind, is full of antioxidants and healthy fats that protect cells and reduce inflammation. Black pepper isn't just for taste, it boosts the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%, making the turmeric far more effective. And apple cider vinegar helps stabilize digestion and supports the body's natural pH balance, both beneficial for overall resilience. The warmth of the dish, the balance of flavors, and the way it fits into your daily meals makes it easy to turn into a habit. You can enjoy this as a side dish with roasted veggies, over brown rice or quinoa, or even on top of whole grain toast. Try to have it at least 3 times a week. Many people begin to notice better energy and clearer thinking after just a few servings, because when inflammation goes down, nutrient absorption improves, and your immune system finally gets to rest and rebuild. Conclusion. Sometimes the answers we've been searching for aren't locked away in clinics or hidden inside a prescription bottle. Sometimes they're already sitting in our kitchen, waiting to be noticed. You've just learned about foods that can help you reclaim your energy, fortify your immune system, and support a healthy gut, all without sacrificing flavor or joy. And you've got a simple, powerful onion recipe you can start using today. It's not about being perfect. It's about taking small, consistent steps towards feeling better, living longer, and waking up each morning with the strength to enjoy life fully. Because your age doesn't define your future, your habits do. So give your body the care it's been asking for. Start with one meal, one change, one healing dish. And if this video gave you a new idea, a bit of hope, or simply reminded you that you're not alone on this journey, leave a comment and tell me. I'd love to hear what part spoke to you most. You deserve a life that feels good again, and it can start right now, right in your own kitchen.